Welcome to the channel. Today we will be troubleshooting the MR2 Spyder with the SMT transmission. The current issue is the vehicle does not go into gear. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and put it in drive. So the green light is flashing. You have the transmission gear light on, but no beeping. When I give it gas, nothing happens. Same thing when I put it in reverse. To rule out the battery, we're going to check the voltage. 13.33 volts. Next, we're going to check the SMT fluid level. The battery has been disconnected for several days. It appears the fluid is at the top line. Let's go ahead and remove the position sensors. We're going to take this bracket out to get to this sensor. This is a 14 millimeters. There's 3 bolts. On this one, the T20 bit is too long. This will not fit. These bolts are not torqued at a high rate, so you could get needle nose pliers and loosen it up. Once loosened, you could use your fingers to unscrew. For the other sensor, you could loosen it by using your T20 bit. It may be hard to see on video, but the root cause why my sensor failed is because my GSA is leaking brake fluid. You can see some brake fluid marks, and this is after I cleaned it out. And you can also see some brake fluid on the wires here. So what happens is the brake fluid leaks and it comes out of this weep hole down to the wire. For this video, the goal is to replace the sensor and get my car moving. Once the car is moving, later on, I'll go ahead and fix the leak on the GSA. I purchased the used sensor from Monkey Wrench Racing. It did not come with the metal backing plate. So all you have to do is go ahead and pull this out and then put it into your other sensor. When reinstalling the sensor, make sure the arm of the sensor goes into the slot of the shaft, as you can see right there. All right, everything has been put together. Let's go ahead and see if the issue has been fixed. This is starting the vehicle without doing a relearn. Okay, the SMT light is no longer illuminated. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse. Alright, the car moves backwards. Let's go ahead and put it in first gear. And the car moves forwards. Looks like we have resolved the issue. I hope this video was informative. I was just sharing my experience on how I troubleshooted to fix the issue. Your results may differ. If you like this video and would like to see more MR2 Spyder content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.